turn, Katie. She's a little heavy to turn, Mom. She gotta go straighten it up.
There we go.
Alright, now get right there. Sit right there, Matt.
Sit down. I'm just gonna do it all on my own, huh? Shh.
Yeah, you want, yeah, come here, push her. Come here. Want to push, you said? Yeah, you gotta push. Okay, give me that, that's dirty. Push.
Uh-oh. Cover her up, huh?
Katie, push her.
There they go. What? Oh, I forgot. I thought Rena was telling me she had a pill. Huh?
Sit down and let Katie push you, honey.
You need a pill?